Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to send money to Belgium using the Remitly app. So just open the Remitly app, then go to the home page, and on the home page on top left corner you can choose the country that you are going to send money to. In our case, Belgium. So you just have to tap on the country, and when it loads you just have to tap on the get started icon on the bottom of the screen. And when you tap on it, it is going to open up the money transfer page where you have to type in the amount of money that you would like to send on the top of the screen. And on below that, you're going to see the same amount in the recipient's country's currency. Then tap on continue to choose the bank that you would like to deposit this money to. And when you choose the bank, you just have to add the IBAN code of the recipient. So let's add a fictional IBAN code. And after you add your IBAN code, you have to add the first name and the last name of the recipient. Tap on continue. You can also add the phone number of the recipient, but you can also skip this step because it is not mandatory. And after this, as you can see, the last step is going to be adding your debit or credit card details, and the Remitly app is going to charge your card just simply as an online payment, and the recipient is going to receive the amount in his bank account. So that's pretty much it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one. Bye bye.